Hey everyone, Michelle here. In this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to the Skoot. It's our newest tricycle, and it's for the little ones. It's for 10 months up to 45 pounds. So I'm going to unbox it for you today, give you a couple details about it, and put it together, and we'll see what it's like. So here we go. Fresh out of the box from the factory. All right. So let me show you guys what it looks like inside, how it's packaged, nice and neat. First comes out the frame. Then we have the front wheel. This is the seat. Get that open. We'll open that in a second. Your little book and your handlebars. So once you have all of this out of the box, lay it out in front of you, and we'll start from the beginning. So now that we have all the parts out of the box and laid out, you've got your little manual here. Inside the manual, there's a tool that you will need, a little Allen wrench. So take that out, have that ready. So the first step is we're going to take this little plug off of the seat bar. Next, you're going to pull this cap off of the top of the wheel. You're going to want to insert the front wheel down into the frame, like so. Now that we have our front wheel post in the frame, we're going to put our handlebar on. And on this, you're going to keep this little cup like cover up, and you'll see that there's a screw in here. So you're going to want to use your Allen wrench and unscrew that. There is a bolt, a little nut at the end of that, so make sure you don't lose that. I've already unscrewed mine. There it is. So then you're going to want to put your handle on here. And note, I want you guys to know that there are 2 holes in the handle here for some height adjustment. So if they get a little bigger and they need some more height, you can move that up. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the... So you want to line those metal holes up, and then you want to pull this down, because you want to pull that cap all the way down. Then line up your holes. There we go. And then I'm going to stick the little screw through. See, it comes out the other side. And then I have my little nut here that I'm going to screw. I'm going to get it a little tight. Am I going the right way? Okay, so put your nut on the end, hold it with your finger and push it in. And then on the other side, use your Allen wrench to tighten it and hold that nut so it doesn't turn. And you'll feel it get tight. There we go. That is on, and now you can push the little cover down, just like so. So these wheels are 6-inch wheels. They are great for a smooth ride. They are they are scratch resistant, and they're great for, this is a great bike for balance and coordination, and the kids are going to love it. So here is the seat, so soft and comfy, and now we're going to put this on. Now for the seat. The screw is in the seat already, so we're going to want to unscrew that with your Allen wrench. Pull it out. Then you're just going to simply put that on. Sorry, then you go through the back like so. There we go. Gotta make sure it's on there. And then we'll start. All right, we have our seat on and the Skoot is complete. Remember, this is for 10 months and up to 45 pounds, indoor, outdoor, wherever they want to ride it, and we hope you enjoy the Skoot. Thanks for watching our video today. Give us a thumbs up, a like. We welcome any comments in the comment section or questions.